Welcome back to the Bike Explorer. First impressions matter, and the Gixxer 250SF definitely makes a statement. That sharp, aggressive design is a head-turner. The LED headlamps and tail lights give it a modern touch. It's got a sporty stance, but it's also comfortable for everyday riding. Scene, rider on the motorcycle. Let's talk performance. At the heart of this beast is a 249cc, oil-cooled engine. It delivers a smooth power delivery, making it perfect for both city commutes and weekend adventures. Acceleration is brisk, and overtaking is a breeze. The suspension is tuned for comfort, but it handles corners with confidence. Motorcycle on a winding road, the Gixxer 250SF is not just about speed, it's about control. The digital instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, giving you all the essential information at a glance. The ergonomics are spot on, ensuring you're comfortable even on long rides. Scene, close-up of motorcycle features. Suzuki hasn't skimped on features. You get a fully digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, a single-channel ABS for added safety, and a comfortable split seat. It's got enough storage space under the seat for your essentials. Plus, the fuel efficiency is impressive, making it easy on your wallet. Rider smiling and giving a thumbs up. So, is the Suzuki Gixxer 250SF worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, fun, and practical motorcycle that can handle both city traffic and open roads, the Gixxer 250SF definitely deserves a spot on your short list. It's a great option for both new and experienced riders. Stay tuned for a more in-depth look at the riding experience in our next video.